Aim Smart, your review authority. Ang tanong,
kung bago ka sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like, subscribe button, at notification bell para otomatiko kang maa-update sa mga latest videos na tiyak na makakatulong sa iyo. Para ipaliwanag ang kasagutan sa ating tanong, naririto na po ang ating abang lingkod, ang ating Justice Buddy, Attorney Jeffrey Bahita.
isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat.
What are the new courses under the new curriculum? To start with, we have Criminal Law and Jurisprudence. Under these are the following subjects. We have Introduction to Philippine Criminal Justice System. 2 is Human Rights Education. 3 is Criminal Law Book 1. 4 is Criminal Law Book 2. 5 is Evidence. And 6, Criminal Procedure and Court Testimony.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Under the old curriculum, courses numbers 3 up to number 6 were present. However, courses number 1 and 2 were not present under Criminal Law and Jurisprudence. But under CMO 05 series of 2018, our new curriculum, these courses, Introduction to PCJS and Human Rights Education, are added under Criminal Law and Jurisprudence. History will tell us that Introduction to Philippine Criminal Justice System was previously under the Sociology of Crimes and Ethics, commonly known as Criminal Sociology. However, our Technical Committee for Criminology transferred Criminal Justice System from Sociology of Crimes and Ethics to Criminal Law and Jurisprudence as its number 1 course or subject. And also, considering that the human rights cases in the country are now widespread or prevalent, our Technical Committee for Criminology decided to include this course as part of Criminal Law and Jurisprudence.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
The second area, which is Law Enforcement Administration, has the following new courses. We have Law Enforcement Organization and Administration, Interagency Approach. Number 2 is Comparative Models in Policy. 3, Introduction to Industrial Security Concepts. And 4, Law Enforcement Operations and Planning with Crime Mapping.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Under the old curriculum, we have to take notice that there were 6 LEA courses, and these were Police Organization and Administration with Police Plan, Industrial Security Management, Police Patrol Operations with Police Communication System, Police Intelligence, Police Personnel and Records Management, and Comparative Police System.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Under the new curriculum, if you notice, all of these 4 subjects or courses are new. Why? Look at number 1. Law Enforcement Organization and Administration. This is similar to the previous or to the old course, Police Organization and Administration with Police Planning. However, in this new course, Law Enforcement Organization and Administration, it broadens its approach because it includes not only the Philippine National Police, but it includes most of the popular law enforcement agencies in the country.
Aim Smart, your review authority.
Number 2 is also new because this is Comparative Models in Policy as opposed to the previous course, Comparative Police System. Why? Because comparative models in policing focuses on the different models with respect to the policing system around the globe. Unlike in the previous or in the old course comparative police system, this is strike anywhere. Any policing system is included. However, in these comparative models in policy, there are only selected policing systems that are covered by this respective course.
Aim Smart. Your review authority.
Number 3, Introduction to Industrial Security Concepts is also new as opposed to Industrial Security Management under the old curriculum. Why? Because of the new course which is Bachelor of Science in Industrial Security Management under CMO 06 Series of 2018. Here, we are just introducing what are the basic concepts in industrial security. Just to give our criminology students a preview or bird's eye view about what is industrial security. Now, the detailed or deeper approach or study with respect to industrial security can be taken care of by Bachelor of Science in Industrial Security Management, which is a separate degree or a different degree from Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Aim Smart. Your review authority.
And number 4, law enforcement operations and planning with crime mapping is obviously a new course because of the inclusion of crime mapping. Operations is somewhat similar or rooted from police patrol operations, while planning was rooted from police planning under police organization and administration under the old curriculum. However, in this new curriculum, they fuse operations and planning added with crime mapping.
Nabitin ka ba sa ating talakayan? Panoorin mo ang iba pang videos ng ating Justice Body. Dahil ang sabi sa Kawikaan 13:20, ang nakikisama sa may unawa ay magiging matalino, ngunit ang kasama ng mangmang ay masusuong sa gulo.